Today we're taking a closer look at DeWalt's brand new Atomic 20-volt max grinders. These just debuted at FABTECH 2025 and they represent a big step forward, giving tradespeople cordless options that can finally replace a lot of pneumatic and corded grinders.
Exactly. This new lineup includes 4 tools: the DCG 400, which is DeWalt's first ever cordless 4-inch angle grinder, the DCG 402, a 4.5-inch angle grinder, the DCG 420, a straight die grinder, and the DCG 422, a right angle die grinder. All 4 are designed for tight confined spaces while delivering more power than the select HP rated pneumatic grinders, without the hassle of hoses or compressor setups.
Let's start with the DCG 400, the 4-inch grinder. It's compact, lightweight, and still delivers 755 MWO at 12,500 RPM. That's up to 44% more power than a 0.7 horsepower pneumatic grinder, and it's 13% lighter than some of the pneumatic competitors. Plus, it's got DeWalt's brushless motor for long runtime and durability.
And the DCG 402, the 4.5-inch model, hits 764 MWO at 11,000 RPM. Compared to DeWalt's older 20-volt grinders, it's 29% smaller in volume and has a slimmer grip diameter than the DCG 408, which makes it much easier to handle in longer applications.
Both grinders have important safety features. The electronic brake stops the wheel in just over 1 second once you release the trigger. The Perform and Protect anti-rotation system senses pinches or stalls and shuts the wheel down to reduce kickback. And you've got fast guard changes with a clip-on system that lets you swap from a Type B grinding guard to a Type A cutting guard very quickly.
The ergonomics are also dialed in. They use paddle switches with a lock-off design, so the feel and control are familiar for anyone coming from pneumatic. You also get forward exhaust to keep the heat off the user and improve comfort in extended grinding sessions.
Moving to the die grinders, the DCG 420 straight grinder packs up to 19% more power than a 0.5 horsepower pneumatic die grinder. It's also 45% smaller than the Milwaukee M18 die grinder and delivers twice the power of Milwaukee's M12 die grinder. Plus, you get a variable speed trigger up to 24,500 RPM so you can match speed to your application.
Then there's the DCG 422 right angle die grinder. This one's a disruptive innovation for confined work. It puts out 455 MWO, up to 22% more power than a 0.5 HP pneumatic, and still keeps a compact, equal grip diameter compared to smaller cordless options. It delivers up to 53% more power than Milwaukee's M12 die grinder, which is a big leap. Like the straight model, it has the variable speed trigger and an onboard LED to light up those dark workspaces.
Both die grinders also come Tool Connect chip ready, so fleet managers can track them across the job site. And for safety, when working at height, select models like the 420 BLR and 400 BLR are lanyard ready, so you can tether the tool and battery to rigid structures.
What really stands out to me is that DeWalt is building these specifically for fabrication trades. Fitters, welders, metalworkers, where high performance and maneuverability are critical. You get cordless freedom, but without sacrificing the power you'd expect from air tools.
Bottom line, whether you're grinding, cutting, deburring, or cleaning up welds, these new Atomic grinders let you ditch the hose and still get pro-level performance.
And they'll be rolling out super soon. The 4-inch and 4.5-inch angle grinders launch November 25, while the die grinders hit January 26. You can find them, of course, here at Ohio Power Tool as soon as they drop.
And as always, thank you for watching.
And stay tuned for more new tool launches right here.